Okay, so here we are. We're looking at the Terro liquid ant baits. And I live in an apartment, woke up a couple days ago and there were ants all over the place for no reason, out of the blue. Contacted the maintenance people, the apartment manager, and they said to buy these baits before they could get an exterminator out here, which wouldn't be until next week. So I've tried Terro before and had mixed results. And I guess apparently they've redone their formula or their bait stations or something. So went out and bought these and got them yesterday. Follow the directions on the back, real simple. You pull the tab off the back and just place the bait where you see ants and you just let it sit. So I'm gonna show you the results so far, okay? It's been less than 24 hours and you can see the stream of ants and they're just cruising. They're coming up underneath the these glue tiles, and they're coming out from the little baseboards right there. I don't know if you can see that over there by the corner of the fridge. All right, so let me show you something. I put two baits in. There's one bait. Let me see if I can zoom in. Can you see that? The ants. See, they're going under that baseboard. But they're also getting the bait. It's crazy. Now let me show you something really, really gross. Watch this. All right, see these ants? They are originating under the fridge. Look at that bait. Look at that bait. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. They're coming in from that baseboard between the fridge. And it was told to me, let me zoom out here. Sorry. I was told in the springtime, the ants are looking for sugar. And that in the summertime, the ants are coming and looking for proteins. Now, my son typically will drop crumbs and stuff like that, which are sugar-based. So I don't know why I have ants if they're looking for protein, because we don't have proteins on our floor. They're not climbing up the walls, they're not climbing up the counters, they're not climbing up into the pantry or anything. They're just coming out of the baseboards, cruising around. I thought they were looking for water because we had some heat spells and stuff like that, but whatever they're looking for, I guess they found it in that bait. So hopefully they disappear. All right, this stuff is awesome. It's the first ant bait that I've seen actually attract the ants for them to take home. So check these things out. These are worth it. I think this right here only cost me a handful of dollars, and there's 6 packs in there. And they're supposed to last, you know, a month or two, or more, maybe even more, depending on your situation. But check them out. All right, well.
If you're wondering where I am, then I'm over here.
Oh, he's
under my blanket.
Ryder's under his blanket today. He's gonna be starting his own channel up here pretty soon, so we'll keep you posted on how that goes. All right, everybody, on to the next.